in there.
Something is there. Okay. Wait, inside ஒரு கைப்பிடி. Take it. What is that?
I don't know.
What is this, dog? Water bottle.
It's my water. I have to open this up. It's water bottle.
Signoware water bottle.
Maybe it's my water bottle.
Oh, it's a gift for me, not for you.
Good
Okay,
for
something
me.
else there. Something else is there inside too. Check that.
That is my gift.
Okay.
No, it is my note.
Very right. It's your gift only. Superb. வாங்கணும்னு உடைச்சிடாத. Okay, this is some small water bottle. What else is there inside? Oh, it's a bag, ah. Wait. Pouch, ah.
I have to put it down.
Hey, என்னடா
There's something in this
IPA
pouch.
consulting. அட பாவிங்களா. Okay.
Something in there.
Something is inside.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a Bluetooth. It's from Cognizant. Look at this.
Of course, you can read that.
What is this? Show me. What is this?
That's a picture of this.
Oh, Bode headphone. Oh, Bluetooth headphone.
Oh, this got
Okay.
this too.
Thank you, Cognizant, for sending me this awesome goodies.
Office length இருக்காங்க.
Yes. Okay.
Amma same party
We
now.
got one Bluetooth headphone.
இது என்னது?
அது நான் இருக்கிற கன்சல்டிங். வெயிட் இட்ஸ் a பாக்கெட் பென்ரா. இதுல கூட ஐபிஏ கன்சல்டிங் ஆட்டா பாவீங்களா. அது இன்டெலிஜென்ட் ப்ராசஸ் ஆட்டோமேஷன் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு பிரான்ச். அந்த பிரான்ச்சுக்கு. ஓகே. That's all, guys. Have a closer look at this surprise gift from Cognizant. I think this is specific to IPA consulting, maybe in the consulting stream. So this is a water bottle, 920 ml water bottle, stainless steel water bottle. Looks cool. And you will get one pouch, Cognizant Consulting. Even another side it is etched IPA Consulting as well. And you will get one Parker pen. I don't think I'm going to use it much more because most of the notes which we are taking in only in notepad are Word. Anyway, it's a good gift. I appreciate it. And this is the highlight one from Cognizant. So this is going to be very helpful. A Bode wireless Bluetooth earphone. This is a Rockerz 235 V2 version. I think this is a noise cancellation. It's a very good pick from Cognizant. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and thank you to Cognizant, and all the best to all the employees of Cognizant. So guys, now I know that you are thinking that I'm working in Cognizant, right? To know more about that, please share your comments below. I will definitely talk to you. Okay, bye bye, have fun, life is good, always keep learning, keep smiling. Thank you.